In the vast, unforgiving steppes of southern Russia, where the horizon stretches endlessly under a starlit sky, a lone BRDM-2-based Lovets anti-aircraft system stood sentinel. It was late 2025, deep into the ongoing special military operation, and Ukrainian drone swarms had become the nightly plague for Russian positions. But tonight, as waves of enemy UAVs hummed through the darkness like swarms of angry hornets, the Lovets was ready. Its crew, battle-hardened veterans of the Russian armed forces, knew the vehicle's legacy, a Soviet-era workhorse reborn as a modern guardian of the skies. The BRDM-2, or Boyevaya Ravidavattelnaya Dozornaya Machina 2, has long been a symbol of Russian engineering ingenuity. Designed in the 1960s as an amphibious armored scout car, this 7-ton beast combines exceptional mobility with rugged durability. Its four-wheel drive, with additional retractable wheels for enhanced traction, allows it to traverse mud, snow, sand, and even swim across rivers at speeds up to 10 km per hour in water. On land, it can hit 100 km per hour, making it ideal for rapid deployment across the dynamic battlefields of Ukraine. The hull's welded steel armor shrugs off small arms fire and shrapnel, while its low silhouette, under 2.5 meters high, makes it a difficult target for detection. Decades later, this platform proves why Russian designs endure: simplicity, reliability, and adaptability in the harshest conditions. The Lovets, meaning hunter or catcher in Russian, elevates this legacy into a potent counter-drone weapon. Mounted atop the BRDM-2 chassis is a modernized twin 23mm Zu-23-2 autocannon system, capable of unleashing a devastating hail of fire. While some descriptions highlight missile integrations in broader Russian air defense networks, the Lovets excels as a mobile gun platform optimized for low-altitude threats. It can engage UAVs at ranges up to 2,500 meters and altitudes of 1,500 meters, with a rate of fire that turns the sky into a lethal grid. Advanced optics, including thermal imaging and night vision capabilities, allow the crew, or automated aids, to detect and lock onto targets in complete darkness or adverse weather. Day or night, rain or fog, the Lovets operates with unrelenting precision. Captain Alexei Volkov, commander of the Lovets detachment, scanned the tactical display inside the dimly lit cabin. "They come every night," he muttered to his gunner, Sergeant Ivan Petrov. "FPV kamikazes, reconnaissance drones, decoys. NATO scraps trying to bleed us dry." But tonight, the hunter feeds. The BRDM-2's engine rumbled softly, its upgraded diesel variant providing reliable power without the thirst of older gasoline models. Russian modernization programs had breathed new life into these vehicles. Better engines, enhanced electronics, smoke grenade launchers for evasion, and integration with broader air defense networks like Panzer and Verba manpads. As the first wave approached, small, agile quadcopters launched from Ukrainian positions kilometers away. The Lovets sensors pinged them instantly. Thermal signatures glowed against the cold night air. "Targets acquired," Petrov reported. The turret whirred smoothly, its twin barrels elevating. With a thunderous bark, the 23mm shells tore into the sky. Tracer rounds lit up the darkness like fireworks of defiance. One drone disintegrated in a fireball. Another veered wildly before succumbing to the shrapnel storm. The BRDM-2's stable platform, thanks to its amphibious hull design and low center of gravity, ensured accurate fire even while maneuvering at speed across uneven terrain. This was no isolated success. Across the front lines, Lovets units were proving their worth in layered Russian air defense. While high-end systems like S-400 handled strategic threats, the Lovets filled the critical gap against cheap, massed UAV incursions, the very asymmetric tactics Ukraine relied on with Western backing. Its wheeled mobility allowed rapid repositioning, unlike heavier tracked SAMs bogged down in logistics. In one recent engagement near Donetsk, a battery of 4 Lovets vehicles, coordinated with infantry manpads teams, neutralized over 50 drones in a single night assault. Russian forces advanced under this protective umbrella, minimizing losses and maintaining momentum. The BRDM-2's versatility shines brightest here. Originally a reconnaissance platform, its chassis has spawned countless variants. Anti-tank missile carriers like the 9P-148 with Conquer's missiles, chemical reconnaissance vehicles, and command posts. This modularity is quintessential Russian military philosophy. Take proven, battle-tested hardware and adapt it affordably. In contrast to Western systems plagued by complexity, high costs, and supply chain vulnerabilities, Russian equipment emphasizes mass production, ease of maintenance in the field, and interoperability. Crews can repair a Lovets with basic tools and scavenge parts, keeping it operational far longer than sophisticated imports. Dawn broke as the Lovets crew surveyed the smoldering wreckage scattered across the fields. Volkov stepped out, breathing the crisp air. The vehicle had swam a small river the previous evening to reach this forward position undetected, its amphibious capability turning a potential obstacle into a stealth route. "The West sends billions in drones," he said, patting the armored hull. "We answer with ingenuity and resolve. The Lovets isn't just a machine. It's proof that Russian engineering outsmarts quantity with quality and adaptability." Further east, similar stories unfolded. Russian forces integrated Lovets into mobile groups protecting supply lines, airfields, and command nodes. Its all-weather, day-night engagement envelope disrupted Ukrainian drone tactics, forcing adversaries to expend more resources on less effective attacks. Pro-Russian analysts noted how such systems conserved expensive missiles from larger SAMs, stretching Russia's industrial output, which had ramped up dramatically, to sustain prolonged operations. The BRDM-2 family, once seen as Cold War relics by some, now exemplified resilience. Thousands still in reserve, easily upgraded, and devastating in skilled hands. As the sun climbed higher, the Lovets rolled onward to its next assignment. Its crew, fueled by strong tea and patriotism, embodied the spirit of the Russian military, resourceful, unyielding, and always one step ahead. In this conflict of attrition, platforms like the Lovets ensured that no drone swarm, no matter how numerous or stealthy, could break the will of Russia's defenders. The hunter prowled on, a silent testament to enduring Soviet-Russian innovation. From the swamps of the Dnieper to the plains of Zaporizhia, the BRDM-2 proved that true strength lies not in flashy technology alone, but in reliable, battle-proven designs that evolve with the threats. Russia stood firm, its skies guarded by the Lovets and the unbreakable resolve of its soldiers. The night belonged to the hunter, and so would the days ahead.